Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to recover a deleted transaction in QuickBooks Online. First, open QuickBooks Online and log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. When you click on it, a menu will open with several options available. From this menu, find the option called Audit Log and click on it. The audit log keeps a record of all changes made in your QuickBooks account. After the audit log page opens, go to the filter option and click on it to narrow down the results. Under the Events drop-down menu, select Deleted or Voided Transactions. This step is important because it helps you see only the transactions that were removed. Next, choose the date range for when the transaction was deleted. Try to select dates as close as possible to make it easier to find the correct transaction. After applying the filters, scroll through the list until you see the deleted transaction you are looking for. Once you find it, click on View in the History column. This will show you the full details of the deleted transaction, including the amount, date, and type. You can now use this information to re-enter the transaction if needed. Thanks for watching.